So here are the 5 things to consider if you wanna buy this 2022 Ford Territory Titanium. I got you ulit. Number 1, yung tech. Sobrang advanced ang tech nitong kotse na to. Meron siyang panoramic roof, 360 camera sensor na pwede mong paikot-ikutin, fully digital display with lane keeping assist at adaptive cruise control, electronic parking brake na rin to, lane keeping assist at automatic parking feature. At pagdating naman sa aesthetics, meron siyang mood light dito at wooden panel dito. At meron siyang wireless charging pad dito at yung seats niya, heated and ventilated na din. At number 2, sobrang spacious itong kotse na to. Hindi ka makukulangan ng legs, shoulder and headroom at syempre, sobrang comfortable ng ride. At number 3, syempre, yung looks. Napakagwapo ng kotse, naka-LED headlight, LED day running light, LED fog lamps at naka-body kits na rin to. At sa pinakalikod naman, LED taillight na rin to, chrome garnish at yung rear diffuser na napakaganda. At number 4, syempre, yung reliability ng engine. This is a 1.5 liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder automatic transmission gasoline engine at turbocharged na rin to. At syempre, napakaganda ng kondisyon ng makina at yung maintenance hindi naman ganun kalala, hindi naman ganun kamahal. At syempre, magdala ka ng scanner at mekaniko para ma-assure mo. At number 5, syempre, yung price. For only 895,000 pesos, siguro naman hindi na masahit yun para sa tech at features ng kotse na to. Sobrang high-tech na ito. Kaya kung gusto mo na ito, tumawag ka na. Sobrang saleable sa amin ito, kaya mabilis lang to. Reserve mo na bago ka maunahan. Thank you guys. Peace out.